So you're getting ready to list your home this year and you have some repairs to make. In this video, I want to discuss, is it better to make repairs before listing your home, or is it better offering a financial credit? So this is a question that I often get asked, is that, my home is not really in showcase ready and, I just want to list it. However, I want top dollar. Here are two things that I want to discuss: whether repair something before listing or offering a credit. Which is better? And let me give you a real world life scenario. Last year, December 2025, I actually mailed out a letter to a home seller that came off the market expired. So he ended up calling me and I ended up meeting with him, and he ended up telling me ultimately that he needed a new roof and wanted to offer a credit, but the buyers weren't going for it. So the conversation I had with him is that instead of reducing the price for a new roof, why don't you just put a new roof on the property and then we can raise the price? Well, let me just tell you, I think this was the best advice that I could give him, because his home, very nice, great area, great school district, but it was sitting at a lesser price because he knew it needed a brand new roof. So what we did is consulted with him, got everything in order. He ended up hiring a roofer, paying for it, putting the new roof on, and then we relisted a few months later for $20,000 more, and he ended up getting full price. So let me just reiterate. Before he needed a new roof, he was listed at $730,000. He put a new roof on. We did some minor things, including the roof. We relisted for $750,000. It ended up selling in about 45 days. So in summary, there are some repairs that you can offer a credit for, and there are some repairs that I do not recommend offering a credit for. And that is obviously ultimately having a conversation one-on-one. Please, there is never any obligation to have us over to walk through the property to give you tips on what to do and, more importantly, what not to do. It's an invaluable meeting. It'll last 30 minutes to 60 minutes. And we can discuss a strategy moving forward because everybody's situation is different. So there you have it. My two reasons why offering a credit versus repair are totally different, and they're different to each individual. If you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out. There's never any cost or obligation. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We look forward to seeing you on the next one.